Hello, my friend. Um, my name is Yonnier Rivas Murillo. I am from Ismina town of department of Chocó. In the actuality, I lie in the Turbo City in the department of Antioquia. I study in licenciature in math. I have 29 old year. I like in the soccer practice chess, and my eat favorite is chicken and corn, right? Today I speak more or less in the technological, in the effect and ecosystem in the world. I believe the Mayus, the ecosystem are terrible today because effective here the self irreversible changing in their natural context, the nearby population and effective and the supply of wearing and sur artisanal wildlife and cows are low precautions and publisher and unirage might the animals existing away a technological development effect on the ecosystem, right? Um, there are and the question one we give us a word in the course to English. In 2 moments, what today will happen is current the trends and technological of the world on the human continue. From my point and consider event on technological in the future product in offering bit human share on the phenomenon of that cannot be stopped by biological dear and rigid or exorbitant trend that existing today. The effect in the world is disastrous. Animal is bad and kill, and the people, main people, and the killer, on the ecosystem. This is the question two. There and three question in the gate collaborative in the English. In advance of the you contribute the improvement and current ever crisis. My event in project the environment crisis is the race in the environment and the important in the natural and resources improving on this and shows the from the environment excuse me in the show the basic in the future edu, right? This is stress question the ecosystem in our planet, the education in the house, the family, in the school, and the society, and the youth. I too win because my planet not only does for me, do food heat, do some cheat, do some day, do some we so because development the ecosystem and the effective and conservatory you you and the ski in the way in the my contest is the pretty and beautiful more and more and more and more. This is the basic in the point on the children boy. We have our vision uh, with respect and tolerance the progress in the medium, right? My friend, thank you very much. Bye bye, Ned.